champion is doing. CVT, Champions Value Travel. Right now we in Burbank, California. Alright. You know what I'm saying? Taking care of business, moving around, doing all the stuff I said in the last video. Gonna take care of business today. Beautiful day. The seasons are changing. Thank God for that. Thank God for the seasons changing, right? Thank God for our opportunities, right? Gonna be thankful today, right? We're gonna take care of business, right? Got some contracting work to do, so we're gonna knock that out, right? I'll stay focused on the big picture. Always gonna stay focused on the big picture. What I wanted to go over was, as long as you have a goal and something that you love to do and you believe in it, then you should never give up, right? Don't give up. That's not an option. If you love what you do, you should never give up. You're gonna keep going every day. You're gonna believe in what you're doing, and you're gonna build it up day by day, effort by effort, moment by moment, minute by minute. You're gonna build it up, and it's gonna get stronger and stronger. All right, because you believe in what you're doing, and every day that you end up believing in it, you're gonna get better at it. All right, so believe in what you're doing, right? One of the things that helped me believe in the things that I'm doing is creating a strong network. Every day you want to create a strong network. All right, every day. You want to create a strong network every day. That's going to help you believe in what you're doing. That's going to help you accomplish your goals. Your network is huge to what you're doing. So every day you want to create a strong network, right? And you want to build it up every day, stronger and stronger. Because it might mean you need to call somebody to get the things done that you need to get done. You just need to make a phone call, right? Sometimes you just need to make a phone call to get the things you need to get done. You need to pick up the phone. Hey, I need to make a move. I need to make a play. I need to get done. All right? Or you just gotta look at it like that, right? Build your network up so you can accomplish those goals, so you don't gotta give up. It's important to build that network up so you always have a chance to complete your opportunities, right? That's where that pay for value concept comes in, because that value in networking, right? We're not always talking about paying with money. Are we paying with time, patience, listening? We don't know, but you got to build that network up. You're not gonna be able to do everything. Let me say that again. You're not gonna be able to do everything. There's gonna be a lot of things that, for whatever reason, you can't do, but that's all right, because as long as your network is strong, make a phone call, make a text, shoot an email. Hey, I need you to take care of this. I got a job for you. I need you to take care of that for me. I got you. I got you, bro. Don't even worry about it. You good. Boom, the job gets taken care of. You straight. You ain't got nothing to worry about no more. You good. You good to go. Straight on that. Because you took care of business. You network right. So now your goals is good, right? Because your network is good. So always work on your network, right? Never stop working on your networking, right? Keep that strong, keep that tight. So, I'm gonna give you today 3 ways to build your network. Number 1, talk more, talk to people. Talk to people when you out, and exchange information, right? Have your business card and give them your business card, so you don't have to. Everybody don't need your phone number, but just exchange business cards. You want to have a collection of your business cards and transfer those into your contacts. So start collecting business cards. What people do, start researching their pages, start seeing what they're good at, right? That's 1. Number 2, reach out to people you know and see if they have any new skills. All right. Some people develop new things, and it's powerful. And you can, now that's in your portfolio. You can call them. You know, somebody you used to know. They you know, they do carpentry work, and now they do flooring too. You check up on it. You do that. That's a big one, right? And the third way to increase your network is ask people you know if they know somebody that does stuff. You would be surprised with what your network you already got, how powerful that is, right? So do that. Let's increase our network so we can still get our goals accomplished, right? These are the 3 things you can do, right? Man, look, start negotiating, start getting things done. This life is up to you. What you want to have, how you want it. Make something out of it, though. Like, don't just think you can't do nothing. You can. You can accomplish something big. You could do something you always dreamed of. You could do something huge. Believe in yourself, though. Start doing something. Start reaching out. Have your business card on you. Look, let me show y'all something, man. I'm gonna do a video on it. I got my dot business card. Everywhere I go, telling somebody what I do, and I got a card version of this. So if they're too personal, if that's, I don't want people all up in my business, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna be like, hey, check this out. Got my IR code in the back. I'm gonna pull that out. Man, I'm gonna do a video on this and why this is so important to have. The links, so where you can get yours. So we can all have our digital business card. I love having this though. Cause sometimes like today I don't have my cards on me, but I had this. Quick way for people to connect, see what I'm doing. Be a part of the ecosystem. Alright, so let's build our network. Build our network. And be observant of who's around you, right? You know these phones is worth a lot. So you could be around a bum or somebody that could try to come up off you. So be cautious where you at. For real. Might test you or try you. So be cautious on where you at in your surroundings, though, for real. Always looking head on swivel. But yeah, let's build our networks though. It's 3 steps. Let's go over what those are one more time. Exchange business cards. That's 1. Number 2, what was it? The people that you know, ask them do they know new things. So now you expanding to your networking portfolio. And number 3, people that they know. Right? Those are those 3 steps today. Be back with another video. We'll do a video on that dot card, so be on the lookout for that. It's coming. Let's stay focused. Let's stay dedicated.